Hi, today we're going to talk about the agave plant, which is, like everyone knows, the main ingredient in the liquor tequila. I was interested in this because I like to do Taco Tuesdays, and with my tacos, I like to drink my margaritas. So we are going to learn something about the agave plant, also known as the um, agave tequilian plant, which is mainly grown in Mexico. Uh, the guava plant is very important to the Mexican economy. According to Funk and Wagnell's New World Encyclopedia, the guava plant is a genus plant of the family Aguavaceae. The species of the guava plant that is uh, most popular is, like I said, the Agave tequilianae plant, which is also known as Agave azul. Most Mexicans farmers refer the species as mangueyo. The agave has large, thick, and fleshy leaves, which can store considerable amounts of water. They are spiked and can grow, and the leaves can grow to a length of 2 meters. That's about 6 feet at the base of the plant. According to Critical Reviews in Biotechnology, the December 2015, volume 35, issue number 4. The guava plant has many domestic uses. They use it for medicine to treat anemia. They use it to make clothes. They also use it to make foods such as sugars. The guava plant has been in the news recently due to drug cartel and laundering. The cartels are using the brands of tequila to launder their drug cartel money. And that's according to the Mexican News Daily article. Mexico's government has accused more tequila brands of laundering drug money for the cartel in the June 8th issue 2020.